morning, Shadows. Just waiting for the shuttle to go to my ferry to go to Saranda, booked my hostel, everything is good. It's really close to the port, so that's a good thing. Yeah, didn't sleep too good last night. Don't know why. Got my sandwich for the ride, got my water, everything is packed, and we're off to Albania next. Woo! So made it to the port, I am on the ferry to go to Saranda. Should be about a 30-minute ride. Unfortunately I couldn't really get near a window, so not really going to see much, but that's okay. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then get ready. Alright, talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I rewatched the video and so I didn't really give you guys a good view, so is the view from my balcony. This is the room. Right now it seems like I may be the only one in this room. So hopefully it's light enough out here you can kind of see. This is the common room. Got to have a little kitchen area. A little internet. And those are two other rooms. So that's the hostel, guys. It's called Saranda Backpackers, and like I said, Tommy, who is the owner, super cool, super nice, kind of just really that whole I forget what it was called because I watched this documentary on Albania, but they are very giving people. And so, it's true. It's really, really true. And this is, we'll be walking down there in a little bit, like I said, so pretty cool. I think it's going to be a really cool stay. Tomorrow, I'm going to do Butrint, and then on my last day here, I think I'll do, the town, do, the archaeological museum and the synagogue ruins and just kind of check it out. And then I'll be off to, hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, Kajira Gastra. I could be butchering that. I'll put it down here. Yeah, and it comes from, let me know if any of you guys have been to Albania and some tips and everything, and that we can share with anybody who wants to come to Albania. Alright, we'll talk in a little bit. Alright, so just out and about checking out the town, on the hunt for a decent looking ATM, but I'll just kind of see what's around. So this is what I see so far. Pretty cool. I took a little unscheduled nap that just sort of happened, so let's see what we can find. So it sucked. Actually found a bank that I recognized the name of and I'd already used once, but here they don't take MasterCard. So, still on the hunt. I found one that took MasterCard, but the card swipe thingy kind of looked a little fishy, if you know what I mean. So, we're going to head up to the one I saw as we were walking to the hostel. I think it was the Tirana. One of them had a card swiper that just wouldn't work for me, so I assumed you have to have their card. Yeah, so first hurdle, find money in Albania. Off we go. But, like I said, the view is freaking ridiculous. Good morning, Shadows. It's my first full day in Saranda, and I am going to actually, the weather kind of changed a little bit, so I decided I was going to stay in town today, and tomorrow I'll do Butrint. But I thought I'd show you what a morning in Saranda looks like. So cruise landed, tons of people got off, and this morning it's been like bus central. But this is Saranda. So we're gonna do the archaeological museum and then the synagogue ruins. Then we will head back to do some work. You know, typical day, sightseeing and work. That's the way it goes on the road. So let's do this. Like going down the Ionian coast, and Croatia got hit first with tourism. Montenegro is getting kind of big now. I think, and this is my prediction, that soon it won't be so much about those two as it will be about Albania. And the reason I say that is it has already begun. So, hotbed of tourist action. I may be a little lost. Good thing is, if I can always find the bay, I can always find my way back. So, check it out. We started over there, and now we're on the other side of the bay. Alright guys, so part of the joy is just kind of wandering as you get a little lost. So I walked a little bit further than I should have, the wrong way. But I got to see some pretty cool stuff and just kind of see the town a little bit. I walked in almost the entire harbor. I'm gonna head back, see if I can find where I went wrong, and take it from there. Until then, I just get to look at this. Alright, so the map wasn't very helpful, or I just don't know how to read maps. One or the other, because looking at the map I should have went right past it, but I didn't see it. So I'm gonna go head back up, cross over, go up the street I went down, see if I missed it. If not, go around, go to the next street up. Yeah, but like I said, this is the joys of just kind of like touring the city, you know. It's a beautiful city in some aspects. In some aspects you can very much tell that the economy is not where it should be, and that they've had a lot of, you know, turmoil, but the people are just, that's what makes, so far for me, my stay here fantastic. So alright guys, so I found the mosque, so that'll be good, and I can use it as the next foundation to kind of go and see where I missed what I was looking for. So let's check it out. No, thank you. This is amazing because it's kind of just open for you to walk through. I think eventually they'll learn that that's kind of like a mistake, as like Athens and all them had, that they could be making money kind of off of it. But just take a look. It's kind of amazing. It's kind of, I think the one thing, like, I think when I think of like historical ruins in big cities is that it's so weird to be like, look, as I turn you can see cars and city shops, and then ancient ruins. Hey guys, I'm sorry that today's gonna be a little bit of a wash. We'll have to do everything tomorrow.
I think like the allergies were masking a little bit of maybe a cold, because when I got back from our walk earlier, all of a sudden I felt like really crappy. So I'm just gonna kind of take a rest day, and I think sometimes that's what needs to happen. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll hit Butrint, and maybe if we have enough time when we get back, we'll hit the Archaeological Museum. Yeah, I just need to take a day and try to get better. Alright guys, bye.